Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Updates channel. So if you are new here, please do not forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel. Please watch the video till the end as this video consists of important information regarding your attendance. Also like the video and I'll share with your friends. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So JNTUH has started implementing biometric attendance from this semester. First of all, let us understand what is biometric attendance. Biometric attendance is calculating the physical presence of students in the college. అంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ నిజంగానే కాలేజ్కి వస్తున్నాడా లేదా అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ విల్ హెల్ప్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ ఇన్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద హౌ మెనీ స్కాలర్షిప్ షుడ్ బీ శాంక్షన్డ్, and the government will have an exact number of how many students are studying in a particular college. Student has to put their thumb impression on a biometric device present in the college and attendance will be marked as present. అంటే మీరు thumb impression అనేది అక్కడ ఇస్తే you will be marked as present. అంటే we all know this. The gap between the login thumb and logout thumb should be a minimum of 7 hours. And for example, if you are giving the login thumb at 9 a.m. in the morning, you log out thumb should be at 4:30 p.m. or at least after 4 p.m. So in the evening, otherwise half day attendance will be considered. To be at 75% of attendance, student should go to college for at least of 68 days. Some students also said that their college doesn't have biometric devices and they were really making fun of that. But for that, I would like to tell that devices will be available soon. Otherwise, JNTU has also said that if the college doesn't have any devices, then they will have to pay a fine of 25,000 rupees to JNTU. So in case to avoid that, colleges will make sure that the biometric attendance devices are available. For final year students and third year students, biometric attendance calculation will start from 13th of Feb 2023, that is Monday. And for second year and first year students, it will start from the next semester because already their exam schedule has been released and all. So which is from 2-2 and 1-2. So first year students will get the biometric from 1-2 and second year students will get from 2-2. I would like to advise students not to take it lightly as there will be a high chance of detention this time, especially for the final year students as they are in 4-2. If they are detained, 1 year will be wasted. So project time low, 1 year waste chesukovam, that would not be right. So right now you are in the 4-2. So just be serious about this biometric thing and just give your biometric morning and evening every day. Also, students here mentioned that it will be not possible for them to give biometric as they have major project, internship, etc. For major project students, I can just suggest them. So if you are doing the major projects, then do it in your city itself if possible, so that you can give the thumb in the morning and in the evening session. So that will help you calculate the attendance in the college, and also it will be easy for you to get do your major project. And unfortunately, the students who are doing internship, we don't have any solution for that. I think I would suggest them for online internship as they will have to give the thumb impression at the college. So online internship, which will be better. So please visit examupdt.in for the online internship opportunities. If any, I will just post it. So some of the students also said that medical reasons may also be implemented because medical reasons are also important. Some students might have medical reasons and they might not be able to go to college. In such conditions, if you have any medical reasons, so this might not be considered at the very end. I request students, if you have any such reasons, please contact the parent college immediately and take the suggestion. So వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి సజెషన్ తీసుకోండి, ఎలా చేయొచ్చు, ఏం చేయొచ్చు దీని గురించి, so that you would not get detained. అంటే డిటైన్ కాకుండా ఉండడానికి ఏం చేయాలి. బయోమెట్రిక్ విల్ బి అప్లికేబుల్ ఫర్ షూర్. అంటే కొందరు లైట్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు. For example, let us take an example of master student. For master student in 2017, JNTU had suggested to apply the biometric. In 2019, it was full-fledgedly available, the biometric devices. They took it lightly and many of the master students were detained at that time. So please don't take it lightly. Huge number of students will get detained if the issue is not taken seriously. Already colleges have ignored this, but this time the colleges may have to pay 25,000 fine, but you will have to suffer at the end if not taken seriously. Ante colleges fine gatti baytiki ravachu, but you cannot, because it will be detention for you if you are not getting the right marks. I mean, like the right score of attendance. 65% is minimum which is needed. If you are at 65, then condonation will be there for you. If anything below 65 would be direct detain. If you can take the example of diploma students, how they are suffering on that. So if you have any doubts, just let me know in the comments so that I can just help you guys with this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this information, then subscribe to the channel and also share the information with your friends so that they would rather go to the college and give the biometric attendance if possible. And I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, take care, guys. And if you want to know anything, just comment in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Take care.